Virtual presentations can be impactful, and when done right, deliver a more intimate experience. As a virtual host and presenter, I have been presenting and interviewing celebrities and industry experts remotely for years. While the result is similar to a live interview, curating that experience through a camera requires different energy. I have been in the virtual presenting space for over 5 years, well before it became the norm. So my experience in this space and repeat bookings with clients show my extensive knowledge of how virtual presenting works and how to be successful in this space. Virtual presenting is here to stay, and finding the person who can deliver what you need to your audience with great energy, valuable content, and likability is going to make you stand out with them.
Good morning, Chicago. I am Christina Daves. I'm your host for today, and we have the most exciting lineup for you.
I have learned how to use this tiny lens to deliver a personal one-on-one engagement with each audience member. The years I've been on television as a co-host and guest expert taught me how to speak to a camera. While in a studio, you have to improvise or work with a teleprompter, and you have a team that coordinates to deliver a broadcast. But a virtual presentation gives you a face-to-face connection with your audience. Whether it's an impromptu conversation or a scripted event as a host with a teleprompter, I can deliver the event you want and what online audiences now demand. The production and technical aspects of a remote event are important to ensure a high-quality professional outcome, which is just part of the product you receive when you hire me. Whether it's speaking, hosting, emceeing, or representing a product or brand, the virtual stage brings unique nuances. If I can create a customized, value-packed presentation for your organization, host or MC your next event to keep your attendees engaged and involved, or represent your brand in a way your customers will love, then let's have a conversation. You can learn more about me at ChristinaDaves.com or set up a call at chatwithchristina.com.